sa networking, IP address ang bubunuin ninyo. So, yan palagi yung kinoconfigure natin dito. Okay? Okay, I have now the document. Ito yung parang master list ng karamihan, not all, but karamihan ng routers natin na available. Nandito yung IP address, username, and passwords. Okay, sinong may alam kung anong brand na meron sa router? Anong brand meron? Linksys. So, tingnan natin si Linksys. Sorry. Okay, Linksys. Ang default IP ni Linksys sa ngayon, 192.168.1.1. Other countries, iba ang IP address. Pero most of the time, pag naka-encounter ka ng Linksys na routers, ang IP address dyan ay 192.168.1.1. And the password is admin, the username is admin, and the password is admin. For security reason, after you have configured the router, pinapalitan natin yung IP address and password. Okay, most of the routers, hindi pwede palitan yung username. But yung IP address, yung password, pwede palitan. Gets? Next. So, hanap tayo ng iba pang router. D-Link. Okay, for D-Link router, the default IP is 192.168.0.1. And the username is usually, ito, sabat na mo ba? Admin, and then admin. So other routers like, ito, yung dala ko na routers dito is Edimax. Ang default IP niya is 192.168.2.1. And the username is admin, password is 1234. So those are the default settings na dapat meron kayong reference. So in case na mag-configure kayo sa labas at i-reset yung network o i-reset yung router either, meron kayong titignan. Okay? But I'm not saying na magkaroon kayo ng printout. Parang reference lang ito. So kunyari, pumunta kayo sa isang kaibigan, mag-configure ng router, o ano yung IP address, ano yung router mo. So, tanungin natin ano yung router. So pag sinabi niya, Linksys. So pagdating mo doon, pwede mo i-reset. The IP address na pwede mong puntahan is 192.168.1.1. And the username is admin and the password is admin. Ganun lang kadali. So, itong document na to, same with the presentation, I'll give it to Sir Edison then after the seminar. So, if you want to have the copy, you may ask Sir Edison na lang. So, napakaraming brand ng routers na pwedeng ma-encounter along the way.